12th board exams almost over? If you're planning to do BBA, board marks alone are not enough. To get into top colleges, you must clear aptitude entrance exams. These exams tests quantitative ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and general awareness. And these are completely different from your board syllabus. That's why the 45 to 50 days after boards are extremely important. A focused crash course during this period can give you a serious advantage. In our crash course, you get strong concept revision in quant and reasoning, daily practice tests, time management strategies, mock exams based on actual entrance patterns, and personal guidance with dedicated doubt solving. Remember, cutoffs are high, seats are limited, and thousands of students are competing for the same colleges. Batches begin 2nd March 2026. Limited seats. Enroll today.